Welcome to the ESL lesson, Going to the Supermarket by Everest English Online, here to help you reach new heights in English. Now, before you go any further in this video, please download the student lesson PDF for this lesson. You must have it before we begin. Pause the video and download it right now if you haven't already. If you're like me, it's difficult to find food you're looking for at the supermarket. You know what you want, but finding it can be tough. By tough, I mean difficult or not easy. Fortunately, there are people at the store who can help you find what you're looking for. But how can they help you unless if you know what to say, right? And that's where this lesson comes to help you. In this lesson today, I will teach you new vocabulary and give you real-life examples of shopping at the supermarket. And hopefully by the very end of this video, shopping at the supermarket will not be so tough when you go next time. Are you ready to learn? All right, let's begin. This lesson, Going to the Supermarket. Now remember, you'll need your student lesson PDF. You can find the vocabulary words at number 1, vocabulary, in your student lesson PDF. So watch the video now and have your lesson out and ready as we review these new vocabulary words. Groceries. Items of food sold in a store. Groceries. Dairy. Food made from or containing milk. Dairy. Shampoo. A liquid containing soap for washing the hair. Shampoo. Aisle, a passage between two shelves of goods in a supermarket. Aisle. Produce, as a noun. Things that have been produced or grown, especially by farming. Produce. Deli, a place in a store where one can buy freshly sliced meats and cheese. Deli. Clerk. An employee at a store who helps a customer. Clerk. Coupon, a piece of paper that reduces the price of a specific grocery item in a store. Coupon. Ground beef, beef that is cut up into very small pieces in a meat grinder or other machine. Ground beef. Laundry detergent, a liquid cleansing substance that is used in washing machines to clean clothing. Laundry detergent. Pharmacy, where medical drugs are dispensed and sold. Pharmacy. Seasoning, salt, herbs, or other spices added to a food to enhance the flavor. Seasoning. Now, I know that's a lot of words. If you didn't recognize most of the vocabulary words, you should re-watch this part of the video again before proceeding to number 2, reading and listening. But if you feel ready for the next section of this lesson, then let the video continue to play and go to number 2, reading and listening in your student lesson PDF right now. In this part of the video, I will play an audio clip of a woman shopping at the supermarket. You want to make sure to read the dialogue as you listen, and I suggest that you also circle the vocabulary words you hear as you read. Are you ready? Get a pen or whatever you use, and let's listen now to the audible section of this lesson, Going to the Supermarket.
Excuse me. Where can I find the laundry detergent?
That would be in aisle 7 near the pharmacy. Would you like me to show you?
That would be great. I may need help finding more groceries.
No problem. Follow me. And here is our laundry detergent. Can I help you find anything else?
Great. Thank you. I need to go to the deli for some lunch meat.
Right this way. This is our deli. Our deli clerk will assist you from here.
Thank you again.
What would you like?
A pound of salami and a half a pound of cheddar cheese, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
What other dairy products do you have?
We sell a variety of other cheese, and if you like shredded cheese, see aisle 10.
No thanks, but can you point me to the ground beef section?
Our meats are next to the produce section, near aisle 3.
Okay, and what about some seasonings for the meats?
You will find all our seasonings in aisle 4.
Perfect, thanks. Okay, I now just need shampoo.
Hello. Did you find everything all right today?
Thanks to all the helpful store clerks, I did.
Fantastic. Your total comes to $101.78.
I have this coupon for the shampoo.
Okay, with the coupon, that will be $98.78. Your coupon saved you $3. All right. Now, you should have just listened or finished listening to the audio for the first time. Now you should be ready to go to number 3, reading and speaking in your student lesson. In this exercise, you must practice speaking the dialogue to yourself or to a friend. I think it's always a good idea to practice this exercise with a friend. Have your friend be the clerk and you be the customer. Give them a copy of the dialogue and practice speaking as if you were at the store right now. But if you don't have a friend to practice number 3 with, that's no problem. Just read both parts to yourself out loud. You can still practice speaking this way. Pause the video right now and start speaking the dialogue. Okay, if you just read and spoke the dialogue from exercise number 3, then you are ready for exercise number 4. Speaking a new language can be really tough, but that's why you're taking this course, right? In just a moment, you will hear the dialogue again, but this time it will be slowed down. It's tough to understand people when they talk really fast, isn't it? That's why we want you to listen to this audio again, but this time much slower. As you listen, write down the missing vocabulary words in the blank from your student lesson. Do not look back to number 2 or 3. You must only listen to find those words. Do you have your pen ready? Okay, here we go. Listen carefully.
Excuse me, where can I find the laundry detergent?
That would be in aisle 7 near the pharmacy. Would you like me to show you?
That would be great. I may need help finding more groceries.
No problem. Follow me. And here is our laundry detergent. Can I help you find anything else?
Great. Thank you. I need to go to the deli for some lunch meat.
Right this way. This is our deli. Our deli clerk will assist you from here.
Thank you again.
What would you like?
A pound of salami and a half a pound of cheddar cheese, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
What other dairy products do you have?
We sell a variety of other cheese, and if you like shredded cheese, see aisle 10.
No thanks, but can you point me to the ground beef section?
Our meats are next to the produce section, near aisle 3.
Okay, and what about some seasonings for the meats?
You will find all our seasonings in aisle 4.
Perfect. Thanks. Okay, I now just need shampoo.
Hello. Did you find everything all right today?
Thanks to all the helpful store clerks, I did.
Fantastic. Your total comes to $101.78.
I have this coupon for the shampoo.
Okay, with the coupon, that will be $98.78. Your coupon saved you $3. If you made it to this part of the video, then you should have just completed number 4, the listening practice. If you miss writing down a word, don't look back. Like I said before, you can just replay this part of the video over again and get those missing words. Go ahead, replay the audio again, and don't feel ashamed if you missed some words. You are learning, and practice makes perfect. Replay the audio now, unless you're ready to continue. If you have completely finished number 4 by filling in all the blanks, then you're ready for number 5, writing practice. You'll find that in your student lesson. As in previous lessons, I want you to take the time to write your own unique dialogue. As always, you can look to number 6, Writing Practice Help, to find extra phrases you can use in your writing dialogue section. You must use as much of this supermarket vocabulary as you can. You can write on number 5 in your student lesson, or you can type out your dialogue on the computer. Either way works fine. Also, don't forget that I can review your work for you if you email it to me. How did your writing practice go? Did you do it? I hope that you did, because it's a sure way to improve your grammar and practice using new vocabulary. Now, are you ready for a challenge? Okay, because it's time to put your speaking skills to the test once again. Go to the next exercise, number 7, proof reading. You just wrote your own dialogue. Now, I want you to speak it out loud, just like you did before in exercise number 3, except using your newly written dialogue. Not only will this exercise help you with pronunciation and speaking, but it will also help you catch grammar errors before you email me your dialogue. This is what we call proof reading. After you finish reading your script out loud, then you will be ready to email me your dialogue for review. Pause the video now and start proofreading. If you made it to this point of the video lesson, then you are almost done. All that's left for you to do is number 8, the vocabulary quiz. Click that link that says testmoz.com in your student lesson PDF, and you will be taken here to take that quiz. Enter your name and click the Start button to start the quiz. Select the option that you think is the right answer and click Submit to finish your quiz. By the way, it's never a bad idea to review the vocabulary before you start the quiz. Well, everyone, this concludes Going to the Supermarket by Everest English Online, here to help you reach new heights in English. Thank you so much for taking this course, and I'll see you in the next lesson.